12 beginner-friendly websites for easy work-at-home jobs would pay in 2023. If you're looking to earn a few hundred to a few $1,000s without needing any specific skills, I have 12 websites and apps that you should check out. Be sure to watch the entire video to find the perfect side hustle that suits you and start making money today. If you want to earn some extra money when you're not doing anything, choose from these 12 side hustles the one that's right for you. I assure you that you don't need to pay any upfront fees to get started. All these websites and apps are free to use and easy to sign up for. Let's get started with the first one. I know many of us don't like doing laundry, but what if I told you right now that you could get paid $20 an hour for it? Sounds like a great deal, right? That's where SudShare comes in. It's like the Uber Eats of laundry. When people need your laundry done, they can book a service through the SudShare app. You can simply pick it up, wash it, fold it, and return it. It's straightforward and easy to do. If you're looking for a simple way to make money, head over to SudShare. Join the team by clicking Start Now and entering your phone number. You'll receive a link to download the app and sign up. After a brief training course, you'll be ready to start earning. Top Sudsters can earn over $5,000 per month with a guaranteed minimum of $15 per order plus tips. I rate this 4.5 stars because it's easy to do and it has a high potential for paying you a decent amount of money. With over 160,000 positive reviews and a 4.7 star rating, Google Opinion Rewards is a popular choice. It's owned by Google and it pays you for answering quick surveys. This user-friendly app allows you to make money when you're not doing anything, like on the bus or waiting in line at the grocery store. Simply open it up and earn some quick and easy money with just a few spare minutes to spare. To get started with Google Opinion Rewards, simply download the app on your iOS or Android device and go through the basic setup. The app will send you notifications when there's a new survey available for you to take, and these surveys typically take less than 20 seconds to complete. The money you earn will be paid into your PayPal account. While this app won't make you rich, it's a quick and easy way to earn a few extra dollars during your break time with minimal effort. However, I would only rate this app 2 stars. It may be easy to use, but it won't pay you a significant amount of money. Would you like to earn up to $1,500 for doing practically nothing? With Carvertise, you can get paid for driving around in your car. If you're always going somewhere, whether to work or to run errands, this is perfect for you. The only catch is that your car will be used for advertising purposes. Carvertise will apply a vinyl wrap to your car and pay you every month via direct deposit, with payments ranging from $450 to $1,500 per campaign. This sounds like an incredibly easy way to make money. If you don't mind driving around with advertising on your car, sign up today and start earning extra cash. I give this opportunity 5 stars. You're practically doing nothing, and I think it's not embarrassing to drive a car with an ad on it because you're getting paid for it. If you prefer to stay in the comfort of your own home, you can still make money by testing apps and websites and providing your honest feedback. Trimata will pay you $10 or more per test, and all you have to do is browse websites and share your opinions. Here's how it works. Visit the Trimata website, click on Get Paid to Test, sign up, and Trimata will start sending you tests. Simply use the website as you would in a real-life situation and be yourself while providing feedback. During the test, your screen and audio will be recorded as you browse websites. All you need to do is voice your thoughts and opinions out loud so the developers can understand your user experience. There's no limit to the number of tests you can do, and you can expect to receive a few each week. While it may not be full-time work, it's a great way to earn some extra dollars in your spare time. Payments are sent out every weekday morning through PayPal, ensuring quick payment once your test has been cleared. I'll give this one 4 stars because while it won't make you rich, it's super easy and a great way to earn some extra cash. If you're looking to make some serious money writing content, Text Broker may be the solution. One writer made $3,000 to $4,000 per month using this platform. Text Broker pays individuals to write content for companies, ranging from basic articles with minimal research to in-depth articles that require extensive research. Additionally, if you're fluent in multiple languages, you can even get paid to translate articles. So if you have language skills, this could be an easy way for you to earn some quick cash. To get started with Text Broker, simply visit their website and click on I Write Content, then complete the free author registration. The beauty of Text Broker is that you can work from anywhere, at any time, and for as long as you want, giving you complete control over your earnings. While the pay may not be high for beginners, as you hone your skills, you'll be offered high-quality jobs that pay up to 5 times more. Payments are processed twice a week, providing you with a regular income. If you're a skilled writer, this could be a great opportunity. I rate this with 3 stars as it can provide decent earnings but does require a significant amount of effort. If you have a passion for photography, Snapwire is the perfect side hustle for you. It connects you with businesses that are willing to pay a premium for your content, including photos, videos, art, and graphic design. Simply download the app, create a portfolio, and when a business purchases one of your works, you can earn a commission. It's a great way to monetize your creative skills. Snapwire also offers paid photo requests and challenges, which allow you to submit your work to meet specific requirements. When a client chooses your photo, you can earn anywhere from $25 to more than $100. So if you're already taking photos for platforms like Instagram, why not upload them to Snapwire as well and earn some extra cash? I give it 4 stars as it's a relatively easy way to potentially earn additional income with your existing photography skills. If you're a proficient typer and an attentive listener, you can put those skills to work with Scribey. All you need to get started is a computer and an internet connection. Sign up as a transcriber, link your PayPal account, and then take a transcription test. The great part is that Scribey provides you with an automated transcript, saving you 60% of the typing effort. You'll listen to recorded conversations, presentations, and meetings and simply need to identify and correct mistakes in the transcript. Beginners can earn $800 per month with the potential to earn up to $3,200 per month once you develop your skills. If you're a great listener, be sure to check out Scribey. I give it 3.5 stars as it can be a good way to make money, but it does require a serious time commitment. If you're interested in making money while you shop, then becoming a field agent might be the perfect opportunity for you. Field Agent is an app that allows you to gather information for major brands and retailers. You simply take photos, share your opinion, and complete tasks to help companies improve their products and customer experience. One of the great things about Field Agent is that you can use it while you go about your everyday chores, such as shopping. Tasks include audits, where you take photos and collect information about in-store products, I Spies, where you collect details and UPC codes, and scavenger hunts, where your job is to find specific products in stores. To get started, simply download the Field Agent app, reserve and complete a job, and Field Agent will check your submission and deposit cash straight into your bank account. With around 12,000 reviews on the App Store and already helping more than 2 million people make extra money, Field Agent deserves 5 stars. With an impressive 29,000 reviews and a 4-star rating on Trustpilot, FreeCash is an app that can help you earn some extra cash. With FreeCash, you can get paid for testing websites, apps, taking surveys, and more. They have made earning money as easy as possible, with the potential to earn up to $77 per offer. Sign up for FreeCash, choose a task, complete it, and get paid. They offer instant payouts into your PayPal account, or you can choose to get paid in Bitcoin or gift cards. With positive reviews and a 4-star rating, FreeCash is popular among users for its ease of use. Give it a shot and start earning extra cash today. Did you know that you can earn thousands per month by scheduling meetings, paying bills, and booking travel? Thanks to a website called Zirtual, this is possible. What's great is that as you increase your skill set, you can grow your earning potential to over $5,000 per month. Zirtual allows you to work with businesses as their virtual assistant, matching your skills, experience, and interests with the clients. This lets you work to your strengths and helps businesses with their everyday tasks. This guarantees that you'll be working with people or a company who know your potential. To get started, head over to zirtual.com/jobs, where they list all their current positions for virtual assistants. You can apply and get started. With a 4.5-star rating, Zirtual is a solid performer with the potential to earn you a full-time income. UserTesting.com is the best side hustle that pays you for sharing your perspective on products and experiences. With a pay rate of $10 for every 20-minute video you complete, it's a reliable way to earn extra money. The best part is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. To get started, head over to UserTesting.com and click Get Paid to Test. Enter your email address and answer some screening questions to get matched with the best opportunities. Once approved, you can view your available tests in your contributor dashboard and take tests at any time, any day of the week. New tests are posted daily, so you'll never run out of opportunities. Here's a hot tip: make sure to fill out your profile completely, as the more complete it is, the more tests you'll qualify for and the more money you can make. Here are some tips to increase your chances of getting selected for tests on UberTesting.com. You should invest in a USB microphone and don't rely on your computer's built-in mic, because better audio quality can improve your chances of getting selected. Make sure to speak clearly and fluently. Also, while English doesn't have to be your first language, it's important to be able to clearly express your thoughts during the video recording. Speaking clearly and fluently can help you qualify for more tests. When recording your videos, select a quiet room to ensure high-quality audio. The better the quality of your video, the more tests you may be assigned and the more money you can earn. Payment for completed tests is typically sent out via PayPal. You can expect to receive payment within 7 days after completing a test. While UserTesting.com won't replace a 9-to-5 job, it can provide a reliable source of supplemental income. With a 5-star rating, it's a reputable platform for earning extra money. Would you rather spend your time working or indulging in your passion for photography and art? MyPic is a platform that enables artists, photographers, and influencers to sell their work online and make money for free. It empowers you with print-on-demand manufacturing, allowing you to create a customized print store. You simply upload your artwork, and MyPic takes care of the rest. Getting started couldn't be easier. Simply visit MyPic, sign up, and upload and tag your art. Select the products you want to sell and promote them in social media. Now, people from all over the world can own your art as custom prints and fashion. You can easily withdraw your commission via PayPal. It's a straightforward process that earns a 5-star rating for its simplicity. Check out these side hustles and start earning some cash now. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.